Good day everyone, I'm Rainier Balatuan and my partner is Justin Abagan. Today, I'm excited to present our gown rental system. On our homepage, positioned in the upper right corner, you'll find three buttons: Exit, About Us, and Create Account. Clicking Exit will gracefully shut down the system. Selecting About Us opens a window providing details about our system. Clicking Create Account redirects you to the sign up page, where you need to fill out a form to register. Once you complete your account creation, or if you already have an account, simply click the word "Click Here" to proceed to the login page, where you can enter your username and password. If you accidentally click the word "Click Here," there's a back button available to return you to the sign up page. I would love to demonstrate our sign up and login process, but unfortunately, they are currently non-functional due to the absence of a database. Moving forward, in the upper right corner, you also find a home button that redirects you back to the home page. On the home page, you'll find a Shop Now button. Clicking this button will take you to our shop list, where you can explore a variety of gowns. Currently, we have 3 pages of gown lists. Click on a gown to view detailed product information. To rent a product, start by selecting your size. If, for example, you forget to enter the rental duration and click Rent, a window will pop up and say to put the duration. For example, we put 3. Upon entering the duration, another window will confirm your rental request. Decline by closing the window, or confirm to proceed to the receipt page. Although our database is not operational at the moment, our intention is for the receipt page to eventually display customer and item details. On this page, user will simply need to follow the instruction on the page to take a screenshot of the receipt, which will be necessary for claiming their item at our store. Click Proceed, confirm the transaction, and then click OK to return to the home page. We've chosen a pink theme because we anticipated more women using our system. That's all, and thank you for listening.